BSC coins are awesome and give good profits, and most of the altcoins are performing well. But still on BSC there are some deficiencies, and to cover all those deficiencies in this video I will share a plan with all of you which will help other BSC scan coins, especially altcoins, to enter in the market in proper manner with the help of IDOs. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us because this coin will give you at least 100x.
Feel uninvited.
High deflationary project incubator utility token is Safe Launchpad SLD. SLD is a huge pick of yours. If you are going to buy this coin right now, it will not cost you as much. For example, if you are going to invest only $100, you will get number of tokens directly from the PancakeSwap exchange, so you can easily buy it. And also I will tell you that how you can purchase the coin directly from the main website. But before that, I will share some main features of SLD token. All the Safe Launchpad apps are decentralized. You won't need to trust anyone except the DAO, which is governed through smart contract. Safe Launchpad supply is capped at 1 trillion tokens. Here you can see the entire contract address, and I will also share the link of this contract address so you can easily buy the token directly from the exchange. Or secondly, you just have to click over here on SLD swap and you can easily buy the token directly from the main website. Here you can see when at the time when you are going to click over here on SLD swap, it will redirect you towards this page, and simply you have to connect your wallet, MetaMask wallet, and after that you can purchase the coin directly from the Safe Launchpad swap. Now some main features, some new projects are coming on this launchpad, and the supply is capped at 1 trillion tokens, which means there will never be more tokens than that. In fact, Safe Launchpad SLD ecosystems get paid every transactions and earn a percentage of it, 5% as a fee. This transaction fee makes the token constantly decrease its circulation supply, therefore increasing the token value. And like all holders, part of whatever comes in also comes out. Number of new projects are coming on it. Some main features of the Safe Launchpad: it is a deflationary token. Here you can see also on the contract address that it is a deflationary token, and secondly it is an incubator. Next thing, high speed transaction on BSC mainnet. You can earn BUSD. BUSD is basically same like USDT. Then another thing, auto liquidity. 5% of each transaction is sent to liquidity and locked. This creates a rising price floor and better security for the long term. Frictionless yield. 5% of each transaction is distributed to holders as a reward. You can earn passive income without moving a muscle. Seriously, you don't have to do anything. You just have to hold the SLD coins and you will get the chance to make some good amount of money. And 30% of the tokens were burnt at the launch of the Safe Launchpad SLD. So definitely this coin will be huge. Now something more which I am going to share with all of you. We knew one project that is basically Swap, and Swap is working same like this on ERC20 Launchpad. So you can also think that how long this coin will go, SLD, because it is a new pick, and we all know one thing, that nowadays most of the coins from ERC20 they are moving towards BSC scan, and it is one of the best project at the moment which is focusing only and only on IDOs. Here you can see on the main website that right now, for example, if you have any type of project, you can simply apply for the IDO on the SLD main page. So it is and it will be huge in near future. So what you think, do let me know in the comment section, and it's the best time for all of you to purchase the coin directly from the PancakeSwap, or secondly you can buy it directly from the SLD swap, and it will be entirely easier for you to purchase the coin directly from the SLD Launchpad and swap, because here you can see simply you have to come on this page and then you have to click on the trade icon, then on exchange, then you have to add the contract address. Only and only by copying this address, and then you have to paste it over here. And then here you can see the option of SLD. For example, if you are going to buy it with 1 BNB, you will get number of tokens, and very soon, as per my own idea, this coin will minimum will reach up to 0.05 or 0.07. What you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.